Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you my live trades what I took today, and also we'll be doing the live market analysis, and also I'll be telling you how you guys can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. So guys, this time is almost 9:03 now and the pre-open market is now opened, as you guys can see. Okay, so it is open now, so we'll see how the market will perform today. So right now the advances are 40 and the declines are 7 and the unchanged are 3. So once the pre-open market close, this may change, so let's wait for that. Okay, so now let me tell you what are the indices which are in the events today. So coming to the Nifty 50 here, so Nifty 50 is in the event, and PSU Bank, Reality, Pharma, FMGC are in event. Okay, so now as you guys can see, the pre-open at the pre-open the Nifty is almost 0.31% up as of now, and it's still continuing. So we'll see once the market opens on what we can trade and how the market will be today. Okay, so whatever live trade I take, I shall update you guys today. So once the pre-open market close, I'll update you guys at what trades the market is opening today and what are the trades we'll be taking today. So guys, as you can see, the pre-open market is now closed and now it's opening at 0.23% up. Okay, so Nifty is opening at 0.23% upper side, and the advanced stocks are 42 now and the declines are 6 and unchanged are 2 stocks. Okay, so this is how the market is looking right now. So we'll see on what stock I can trade today, and let's see what are the stock which are opening in the upper trend in the pre-open market. So in the pre-open market we have NTPC opening at almost 1.35% up. Okay, 1.57% up, that is 1.35 rupees changes what has happened there. Okay, and Hindalco is opening at 1.25% up again, as you can see here. Okay, so let's see the stocks which are opening in the downtrend. So okay, Bharti Airtel is like almost 2.50% down, as you guys can see here. So this is having a most downside opening in the pre-open, as you guys can see, and Nestle India is having like 0.48% up. Okay, so 0.48% up in Nestle India, and BPCL is 0.43, so that is fine. So we'll see on what stock I will trade today. So this has the analysis what has happened in the pre-open market. So market might open in the upper trend and then come down, so we'll see what's gonna happen. So whatever live trades I take, I shall update you guys today. So guys, I have decided to take a trade on Axis Bank. Okay, so we have not yet taken a buy or sell yet. So once I enter to the position, I'll update you guys, but the stock what I selected is Axis Bank to trade. So we'll see how the performance goes in the Axis Bank, and I'll update you guys once I take an entry on the Axis Bank stock. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit, and also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, by being said that, now let me show you my live trade what I did. So guys, right now I'm in a sell side of Axis Bank. Okay, so I have taken a sell entry around 453, and the market depth here also looks like it's gonna fall down. So as you can see, there's a lot of difference here, like 15 lakhs of sellers and 7 lakhs of buyers. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we are in a short sell trade of Axis Bank right now, so we'll see how the performance of the stock continues. And also, as you guys can see, the market is up 0.38% up, and we'll see how the Axis Bank will perform today. We'll update you my live trades. So guys, as you can see, it's at 451 now, so almost 451.80 is a low made as of now, as you guys can see here. So here you can see it's still falling down. We'll see till where it will go. Okay, so we'll wait for the Axis Bank to still continue its downtrend. So we'll see how the stock will perform. So guys, as you can see, it's now falling down again, 452.30. So we are waiting for the Axis Bank to come down. And also, as you guys can see, the market is also falling down. It was 0.40% something, and now it has come to 0.2120%. And yes, as you can see, Axis Bank is falling down now, so 451.20. So we'll see till where it will fall. So as you guys can see here, the trend is continuing to fall down. Okay, so I just did my analysis and picked the stock, and it is going according to that. And yes, it's almost near my target actually, so I sold it around 453. Okay, so yeah, the low made as of now will be around 451.10 is the low made, as you guys can see on this candle. Okay, so on this candle the low made is almost like 451.10. okay, so we'll see how this stock will perform today. So I'm almost near my target now, and this is the call what was given to my clients also. Even they have booked the profit on the same trade what I've given today. Okay, and as you guys can see, we don't use any indicators. So if you guys wish to learn from us, you can join us today and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like us. So guys, yes, the Axis Bank is now continuing to fall down, and as you guys can see, the low mid is almost 450.90. So the low mid is almost like here, like as you can see here, it's almost 450.60 is a low mid as of now, and yes, even now it's continuing to go down. So we'll see how much far it can go. So yes, my target is almost achieved, as you guys can see, 451.00 as of now, 450.80. so it's giving a good performance. So as we predicted, the Axis Bank fell down and the target was also achieved. And also guys, as you can see here, the Nifty is also is going towards the downside. Okay, so we'll see what will happen. So anyways guys, and even you can see in the market depth here the differences. It is 21 lakhs and 7.96 lakh as of now. And yes, the sell side quantities are getting increased constantly, and so that's why the stock did fall today as we predicted. So anyways, we are done for the today's trade, and our targets were also being achieved, and this was the call what was given to my clients also. Even they booked a profit. So guys, I just exited my Axis Bank trade, so let me just show you. So here is the order book. So around 928, I shorted it around 452.90, and then I bought it back at 450.55. Okay, so almost like 0.5% plus target is achieved. Okay, so this was the trade what I took today, and this was the trade what was given to my client also. Even they booked the profit. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. So guys, these are the client screenshot of profit what they've shared with me. So 1200 rupees profit, 1500 rupees profit, 1080 rupees profit, 1175 rupees profit, and 1450 rupees profit. So these are the profit what you're able to book today in today's trade of Axis Bank. And guys, as you guys know, we shorted Axis Bank around 453, and now as you can see it, the low made is 445.40. Yes, the stock fell down, so this was a stock which we picked by our study. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one.